In this video, let us continue to solve problems based on mean. So here is a question. Find the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students of class 9 of a school. The marks and the number of students are given here. Marks is 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88, 92, 95. And the number of students, those who have got the marks or the corresponding marks, is written here. For example, 10 marks was obtained by one student, 20 marks was obtained by one student, 36 marks, 3 students, 40 marks, 4 students, and so on. So obviously, here they've given, we need to find the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students. So if you total this, we are going to get 30. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 1, 23, 23 plus 1, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 26 plus 3, 29, 29 plus 1, 30. So there are 30 students here. So now, one student has got 10 marks, it's fine. But then, to find the mean, we formulated an expression in the last video that is nothing but x bar equals summation of, so we have a total of 30 students, so we write 30 here, and then xi, it is nothing but the sum of xi as I varies from 1 to 30. So here we have I equals 1 divided by 30. We first have to find the summation of the marks scored by 30 students. So here one student has got 10 marks, 3 students have got 36 marks. So what is the total number of marks here? It is 36 times 3. So therefore, what we have to do is, we need to first multiply fi and xi to get the total number of marks. Let us draw a new column here, which I'll name it as fi into xi. We just have to go on multiplying this. 10 times 1 is 10. That is no problem because just one student has scored 10 marks. 20 times 1 is 20. Just one student has scored 20 marks. But 3 students here have scored 36 marks. So we need the total number of marks here, which is 108. 36 times 3 is 108. And 40 times 4 is 160. And 50 times 3 is 150. And 56 times 2 is 112. 60 times 4 is 240. 70 times 4 is 280. 72 times 1 is 72. 80 times 1 is 80. 88 times 2 is 176, 92 times 3 is 276, and 95 times 1 is 95. So now this sum is going to add up to, upon calculation, we get 1779, that is 1779. So this is nothing but the summation of 13 items that we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Where I equals 1, this is fi xi. So how do we read this? The sum of fi xi, this one, the sum of fi xi as I varies from 1 to 13. First value is 10, the second value is 20, the 13th value is 95, and so on. So now that we've got this, so now in the case of an ungrouped frequency distribution, you can use the formulae like this. X bar equals summation of fi xi as I varies from 1 to n. So here it is, divided by summation of fi alone. Because we need the total number of students, those who have got the marks or whose marks have been taken into consideration. So we've got 30. Now this column is fi. So the summation of fi is 30. So that is why we write the summation of fi here. So now substituting in this, we get, all we have to write here is, this is a general thing. What we have to write here is like this, summation of 13. This is I equals 1. This is fi xi. And then summation of 13 again. I equals 1, but in this case it's just fi. So we need to substitute this by 1779 divided by 30. 1779 divided by 30 is 59.3. So therefore, the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students of class 9 of a school is 59.3.